The smartphone market is a crowded space filled with countless options from various brands. It's tough for a new phone to really stand out in such a competitive environment. But the Nothing Phone 2 isn't just another phone. It's a statement, a bold move in a saturated market. It's a phone that dares to be different, challenging the norms of smartphone design. The first thing you'll notice is the design, which is both innovative and eye-catching. It's unlike anything else out there, setting a new standard for what a smartphone can look like. The transparent back and the LED light strips, called glyphs, aren't just for show. They serve a purpose. They're functional and customizable, adding a whole new dimension to how you interact with your phone, making it more personal. But the Nothing Phone 2 isn't just about looks. It's built to perform. It's also packing some serious power under the hood. With a top-of-the-line processor, a stunning display that brings content to life, and an impressive camera system that captures every moment in high detail, this phone is ready to compete with the best of them, standing tall among top-tier smartphones. So is the Nothing Phone 2 the game-changer it claims to be? Can it redefine the smartphone experience? Let's take a closer look and find out what makes this phone truly unique. The Nothing Phone 2 is a head-turner, designed to capture attention with its unique aesthetics. The transparent back gives you a glimpse into the phone's inner workings, showcasing the intricate details that make up its core. It's a bold design choice that sets it apart from the competition, making it instantly recognizable among a sea of smartphones. But the real stars of the show are the glyph LEDs, which add a futuristic touch to the phone's design. These customizable light strips on the back of the phone can be used for notifications, charging indicators, and even as a fill light for the camera, providing additional lighting in low-light conditions. It's a unique feature that you won't find on any other phone, making it a standout in the market. The front of the phone is just as impressive, featuring a sleek and modern design. The 6.7-inch AMOLED display is bright, vibrant, and incredibly responsive, offering an immersive viewing experience. With a 120 Hz refresh rate, scrolling through apps and web pages is buttery smooth, enhancing the overall user experience. This is a phone that's designed to be seen, a true statement piece in the world of smartphones. And it's sure to turn heads wherever you go, making a lasting impression on everyone who sees it. The Nothing Phone 2 is more than just a pretty face. It's powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, one of the most powerful mobile processors on the market. This means you can expect lightning-fast performance, whether you're gaming, streaming, or multitasking. The phone also comes with up to 12 GB of RAM, ensuring that you can switch between apps seamlessly without any lag. And with a large battery and fast charging capabilities, you can stay powered up all day long. Whether you're a power user or a casual user, the Nothing Phone 2 has the performance to keep up with you. The Nothing Phone 2 packs a powerful camera system that's capable of capturing stunning photos and videos. Whether you're a professional photographer or just love capturing moments, this phone has you covered. The 50-megapixel primary sensor delivers exceptional image quality, even in low-light conditions. This means you can take beautiful photos at night or in dimly lit environments without compromising on detail. The ultra-wide sensor allows you to capture more of the scene, making it perfect for landscapes and group shots. Whether you're at a scenic location or a family gathering, you'll never miss a moment. And with the glyph LEDs acting as a fill light, you can take your photography to the next level. These LEDs provide the perfect lighting for close-up shots and creative photography. The phone also boasts a long-lasting battery that easily lasts all day. No more worrying about your phone dying in the middle of the day. You can stay connected and productive, and with fast charging you can power up your phone quickly and get back to what you love doing. Spend less time waiting for your phone to charge and more time enjoying its features. Running on Nothing OS based on Android, the software experience is clean, smooth, and bloatware-free. This ensures that your phone runs efficiently, and you have more storage for the apps you actually use. The Nothing Phone 2 is available in a range of stylish colors and storage options, allowing you to choose the perfect phone to match your style. Whether you prefer a bold color or something more subtle, there's an option for you. The price is competitive, making it an attractive option for those looking for a premium smartphone experience. You get top-tier features without breaking the bank. The Nothing Phone 2 is a truly unique and innovative smartphone that pushes the boundaries of what's possible. It's not just a phone, it's a statement of style and technology.